Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited and very happy to share that my new Instant Pot Vegetarian Cookbook is now available on Amazon for pre-ordering. This book contains 75 vegetarian recipes from all around the world. Yes, 75 global recipes that you can make in your Instant Pot. I will share the Amazon link in the description box. Please do check it out. Today I'm going to share a recipe from my cookbook. It's the Ethiopian Yekik Alicha or the yellow split peas curry. It's a super simple recipe. All you have to do is saute some onions, garlic and red bell peppers and add in the lentils. And then let Instant Pot do its magic. I like to add red bell peppers in this curry as it adds a robust flavor. But you can skip it or you can add other color bell peppers as well, like green, yellow or orange. So now let's get started with the recipe. The Instant Pot is in the saute mode and already I have added 2 teaspoons of corn oil and the oil is hot as well. So now I'm going to add 1 yellow onion that I chopped finely, and 2 garlic cloves. Give it a good mix and we need to cook this onion for about 5 minutes until they are soft and translucent. It's been 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of red bell pepper and 1 teaspoon of ginger, finely chopped ginger. And just mix it and cook for 1 minute, that's all. Meanwhile, I'm going to drain the water from my yellow split peas. So I'm going to press the cancel button and I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of kosher salt. You can adjust the salt amount according to your preference. And 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric, and 1 cup of yellow split peas, 3 cups of water. Mix it thoroughly and make sure you are scraping the bottom as well. And now I'm going to close the Instant Pot. Make sure the vent is in the sealing position. I'm going to cook this in high pressure manual mode for 15 minutes and release the pressure naturally. The cooking is complete. As you can see, the pressure is all released. I'm going to open the lid and here it is. Just mix the lentils and just mash it roughly. The Instant Pot is off. It's not in saute mode or anything. I'm just gently mixing it and mashing the lentils. That's it. Yekik Alicha is ready. You can relish this as a soup or serve this along with rice or any flatbread. Hope you all liked this video. For other healthy vegetarian recipes, please do check out my book. I'm running a giveaway on my Facebook page. I will share the links for the giveaway as well as the book in the description box. Please do check it out. Thank you for all your love and support. I'll see you next week with a new recipe.